on the projectively flat of an alpha, beta metric of Finsler space. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The alpha, beta metric is a Finsler metric which is constructed from a Riemannian metric alpha and a differential one form beta. We consider the projective flatness of Finsler spaces with some alpha, beta metrics. The purpose of the present paper is to find the condition for a Finsler space with metric to be projectively flat. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.